Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 Pro for Boost Mobile. So the iPhone 13 Pro is in stock, so that is good. It's available in 4 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte. So that is nice. So there's the iPhone 13 Pro right there. Well, the 128 gigabyte version is out of stock. The 256 gigabyte version is in stock. 512 gigabyte version out of stock, and then the 1 terabyte version is out of stock as well. So the 128 gigabyte iPhone 13 Pro is $999.99. 256 gigabyte iPhone 13 Pro $1099.99. 512 gigabyte iPhone 13 Pro $1299.99, and then 1 terabyte iPhone 13 Pro $1499.99. You guys got different colors here. You guys got graphite, silver, gold, and Sierra blue there. So yeah. So let's get to the 256 gigabyte iPhone that is currently in stock right now. So that is nice. So that's kind of shocking that it is in stock. So yeah, this is front of the phone there. Get off this thing here. So front of the phone, you guys got your non-switcher front-facing camera, earpiece. Right side of the phone has your volume key. Your power key. My bad. Left side has your volume keys and your alert switch. Back of the iPhone 13 Pro is your triple camera system along with your camera flash, Apple logo on the rear. There's up close with your 3 cameras on the back as a telephoto, ultra wide, and wide angle cameras on the rear. Camera flash as well. And there it is in the full color: Sierra blue, gold, silver, and graphite. So pretty nice. And to show you guys what's in the box is your iPhone 13 Pro Max and your charger, and that is in your charging cable. And that is it. There's no charging brick in the box this year, so do keep it in mind. So it says here, iPhone 13 Pro, the biggest Pro camera system upgrade ever. Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion for a faster, more responsive feel. Lightning fast A15 bionic chip. Super fast 5G, durable design, and a huge leap in battery life. So specs on the iPhone 13 Pro, you guys know what they are: 6.1-inch display, 12 megapixel cameras on front and back, 22 hours of talk time, 4K video recording, and the iOS 15 pre-installed. You guys will get like 5 years of OS updates, which is pretty fucking insane. Of course, how it work is order today, wait for your friend to arrive, pick up point, and activate online. And I do not know why they make this shit so small. It's pretty much unreadable here. I can't read the shit. It's the text is too small. But I'm gonna try to read it anyway. So yeah. So it says Pro, smooth, responsive, Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion, huge camera system upgrade for dramatic new possibilities, exceptional durability, the ultra fast A15 bionic chip, and breakthrough battery life. Let's Pro. Beautifully durable by design. A design as jaw-dropping as it is durable, with surgical grade stainless steel, ceramic shield, and industry-leading IP68 water resistance. So you guys got the surgical grade stainless steel and durable design with ceramic shield. Big camera upgrade, bigger photo possibilities. A massive hardware upgrade meets super intelligent software to bring macro photography to ultra wide, 3 times optical zoom to telephoto, and night mode to all cameras. Captures up to 2.2 times more light for better photos and videos. Macro photography makes the smallest detail seem epic. Shift the focus up to drama. Shoot with shadow depth of field, and automatically add elegant focus transition between subject for far more creative storytelling. Hello promotion. Meet the Super Retina exterior display with promotion with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120Hz and exceptional graphics performance. You've never felt anything like it. Pure Pro power experience. Fast you can only get on Pro. A chip with the performance to work through your pro task, and the huge leap in better life to last all day. See, I cannot read this shit. It's so fucking small. I don't know why Boost Mobile decided to make the shit small. Like, come on now, it's ridiculous. All new 5-core GPU. Boost the speed to run the advanced display with promotion. Up to 28 hours of video playback. Super fast neutral engine. Power ceramic mode. Smart HDR4 and more. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more. And smart data mode automatically saves battery power when you don't need all that speed. So that's good. Oh shit. There's no phone like iPhone. Smart performance, Apple design chip for speed, power efficiency, and intelligent for everything you do. This shit is so fucking small. Like, I can't even barely read it, but I'm trying to read it for you guys there. Protects your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure. So that's nice. Durable and the fuck's that say? Durable and wait a minute, what the durable and retains value. iPhone is built to last and holds its value longer than other smartphones. See, I can't read this shit, man. Sustainability. iPhone is designed with the environment in mind, using recycled materials. See, I don't know why this shit is so small. It's like, it's so hard to read, especially on the computer screen. In order to read this shit, you guys have to like zoom in to read everything. Specs on the iPhone 13 Pro is a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe and Q wireless charging capable. Video time up to 22 hours, non-removable battery, of course. 4 storage options at 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte, A15 Bionic chip, iOS 15. So yeah, guys, we got like 5 years of OS updates, which is pretty fucking insane. Cameras, there's 3 of them on the back. You guys got a 12 megapixel camera system, telephoto, wide and ultra wide cameras. The telephoto lens is an f2.8 aperture lens. The wide angle camera is f1.5 aperture. Ultra wide is f1.8 aperture as well. Night mode, deep fusion, Apple Pro Raw on there as well. Display, 6.1 inches OLED Super Retina exterior display with promotion. Dimensions: 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. The iPhone 13 Pro weighs 7.19 ounces. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connection, and Apple Pay, of course. Other features, of course, has FaceTime, video and audio, Apple Card, and Siri. What's included in the box, guys, is same thing like last year's iPhones. No charging brick. So if you guys got a charging brick, use that to charge your iPhone, because Apple is not providing you one. So what comes in the box is your iPhone 13 Pro with iOS 15, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation, and that is it. No charging brick, nothing like that. So yeah. If you guys need help with your iPhone 13 Pro, Boost Mobile has you covered with that with device support. It says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications, alright? So yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 Pro is now here at Boost Mobile. It is currently in stock for the 256GB versions, but the other storage options are out of stock right now. So if you guys are looking to get in the iPhone 13 Pro, the 256GB version is the option to choose from right now, because the rest of them are not in stock at this time. Alright, so do keep it in mind. Let me see if all the colors are in stock. So you got the graphite there. Nope. You got the graphite and Sierra blue colors in stock, and that is it for now. So hopefully they'll get it all back in stock soon, so we will have to wait and see about that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.